Hi my angel, welcome back to a new video. If you're new, my name is Aisha Marie, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you both for clicking on today's video. So today I'm going to be teaching y'all my tips and tricks on how to smell good throughout the day and also to just smell irresistible. Honestly, the key to smelling good is your base, aka cleansing, aka your body wash. What I like to do is just keep it simple with my body washes, especially when I really want to smell clean and fresh throughout the day and I know that I'm going to be applying on fragrance after I am out of the shower. I just like to use my good old faithful Dove Original or Sensitive body wash. Dove is notorious for cleansing your body while also still keeping that moisture there, which is a key component when you want to have a fragrance to lock in onto your skin. I like to just go in with a exfoliating rag. I don't like to use actual rags when I'm cleansing my body. One, because exfoliating rag, I'm able to just cleanse off the day while also still exfoliating, which, because I do like to spray on fragrance throughout the day, that is also going to help me remove any scents and odors off of my body. I like to target my underarms, you know, in the valley, anything that has any creases, crevices, you know what I'm saying? You want to get in there and really just cleanse that area squeaky clean. Now, if your skin can handle it, I would recommend using either a body polish or a body scrub. My go-to scrub at the moment is from the company Majestic Pure, and I have this in the Himalayan scrub. This particular scrub has lychee oil, and I am actually obsessed with lychee martinis. So since I'm trying to cut out alcohol, I can have a little lychee in my scrubs. And it also has almond oil. I love anything almond scented, almond based almond oil. It just makes my skin feel so freaking smooth. So this Himalayan scrub is perfect for exfoliating that dead skin while also giving you a slight scent. Now this is not OD with the scent. This smells like something natural, like a natural skin scent type of scrub. Nothing like Dove, nothing like your Tree Hut types of scrubs, but it still gets the job done. What I also do like about this scrub is that it is salt. Now salt is different from a sugar polish. One, because it keeps the insects away, and it also doesn't leave that sticky residue feel in your shower or also on your body. Another thing that I love about using scrubs is just the overall glow your body is going to look after you get done exfoliating the day away. I would recommend doing this. If you don't do it twice a week, I would at least recommend you do this once a week, especially in those areas that produce a little bit more sweat, like I said earlier, in the valleys and creases. So like under your armpits and between your legs, you know, your little bum area. Those places tend to lock in moisture a little bit more because of all the dips and the creases. So yeah, you will also want to hit those spots. Not only do you want to hit, you know, your arms and your legs, but you also want to make sure that you are targeting the areas that actually hold the most moisture. Now, another key factor that I noticed is to apply on either a lotion or oil before you actually put on a fragrance. Now, I like to lock in twice. So I like to lock in with a lotion, and then I like to go in with oil slightly. So the lotion that I like to use is none other than my OG Nivea Blue Bottle Almond Oil Infused Lotion. I love this lotion over the white bottle. I love this lotion over any other lotion that is out there on the market, to be honest. This moisturizes my skin so freaking well. It penetrates into your skin to actually keep your skin rich throughout the day, so you are not going to be feeling dry and cracky and flaky feeling throughout the day. This lotion right here is, I feel like it should be in everyone's hygiene routine, to be honest, but that's just my personal preference. I also love that this lotion gives me that glow. I don't know if it's because of the almond oil or if Nivea just has a secret ingredient in here, but I kind of do feel like it is because of the almond oil, because the white bottle is cocoa butter and it doesn't give me that glow like the blue bottle does. It's so freaking good. It's so good, and it locks in moisture while also making sure that it retains that moisture throughout the day, so you don't have to apply too much to your body. I just like to make sure that my skin is just a little bit damp. I don't want to rip my skin from the moisture completely yet. I want to keep that moisture there so then my fragrance have something to lock onto. After I'm done doing that, I then like to go in with an oil. Now, not only is this an oil, I don't necessarily put this oil all over my body. This is more of like a seal plus scented oil. If you are familiar with like the African shops, the Jamaican shops, they have these like fragrance scented oils that are not necessarily for the appearance of your skin. It's just more so for the scent. It doesn't have the name on here, but I will try to link it down below. Like I stated earlier, this is really only at your convenient Jamaican or African shops or like in the malls, or maybe even at markets. But I will try my hardest to link down a company below. I like to just go in and I'll either sometimes mix it with my lotion. So I'll rub the roll-on in my hand and then apply some lotion, or I will apply the lotion on first and then hit the target areas with the roll-on fragrance and then rub it in. After that, I then like to go in with my actual fragrance that I will be wearing throughout the day, and I apply it on both sides of my necks. I apply it in the inward part of my wrist. Everywhere that I apply my oil, I also then go in and apply my fragrance. So for the fragrance that I will be showing you all today is the Floral Marshmallow by none other than Dossier. Now this Floral Marshmallow is inspired by the Killian's Love Don't Be Shy fragrance, and y'all, this smells identical to the original scent for the fraction of the price. I am in love with this fragrance, and it matches so well with all the scents that I have mentioned in today's video, like the almond oil and the lychee oil, and then this fragrance right here. I can't really say it on YouTube, but it is very, very good. Once again, I will link everything in the description box down below if you are interested. This is a real hidden gem. I actually get girls DMing me on Instagram asking me where they can get this from, but girl, if you know, you know. If you don't, then just hit me up on Instagram and then I'll give it to you there. Anything that is revealing, showing your legs, I like to hit the back of my legs as well with the roll-on ball, and then I go in with my actual fragrance and I boom, 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 and then I hit the back of my legs, boom. So that way when you're walking, you know, I can use like a basketball game, like a football game. If you're wearing something that shows your legs and people are sitting, they're able to smell you more, if that makes sense. I mean, that may be kind of weird, but it's more likely for your aroma to just be swifting and gliding throughout very small, intimate areas, or even big areas, because you didn't apply so much stuff. People have no choice but to get a sniff, okay? Everything that I mentioned in this video is subjective. You can add and take away to anything that I have mentioned in today's video. I want to know, what are your tips and tricks for making your fragrance last, or just making sure that you smell good throughout the day? What do you do? Put us on in the comment section down below. Put me on if I have missed something. I know, to me, it's like very simplistic, and fragrance is subjective. So what you may like, I may not like, and what may work for me may not work for you, you know? So don't take anything too literal. Just have fun with your fragrance. But the key to it all, honestly, is to make sure you have a good wash. If you make sure you are cleansing properly while you are in the shower, I'm telling you, everything else is gonna last. Your deodorant is gonna last. If you scrub the dead deodorant away, if you making sure you hitting the points that you need to hit, especially your feet. We talked about that all the time. We talk about this all the time on my channel. Feet hygiene is a must, so that is a different video for a different day. Yeah, but I just wanted to share some tips and tricks because I do get asked a lot. I hope this was helpful, and as like I said earlier, please comment down if you want to help your girl out, and either help any other women in the comment section down below if I missed anything, or if you just want to put me on. As always, I love you so much, and I will see you on my next video. Keep my conscience clear, that's why I'm so magnetic. And it's I finesse it. Take my pen and write some love letters to heaven. Just like